Namaskar. I Amit Kumar welcome you all in IMD's daily weather briefing. So, if we look at the realized weather during past 24 hours, then thunderstorm accompanied with squally winds and strong winds were recorded over some places of West Madhya Pradesh, Rayalaseema and South Interior Karnataka. Hailstorm occurred over isolated places of East Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Bihar. Heavy rainfall was also recorded over South Interior Karnataka. Heatwave conditions prevailed over isolated pockets of West Rajasthan. Dust storm occurred over isolated pockets of West Madhya Pradesh. Now, if we look at today's synoptic systems, then a upper air cyclonic circulation lies over southwest Rajasthan. There is another cyclonic circulation over southeast, central parts of southeast Rajasthan, and then there is a north-south trough from this cyclonic circulation to north Kerala. There is a cyclonic circulation over northern parts of Bangladesh. So, under the influence of all these systems, rainfall accompanied with thunderstorms, lightnings and hailstorms, gusty and squally winds are likely over east and central India till 4th of May. A fresh spell of rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, dust storms, gusty winds is very likely over northwest India during 1st to 7th of May. So now if we talk about the regional forecast for next 7 days, then over east and central India, thunderstorms with gusty winds of the range of 50 to 60 kmph and gusting to 70 kmph are very likely over isolated places of East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh during 2nd and 4th of May, Vidarbha on 3rd and 4th of May, Odisha on 2nd and 3rd of May. Isolated hailstorm activity is also likely over Sikkim on 1st and 3rd of May, Bihar on 1st of May, Odisha, East Madhya Pradesh on 2nd and 3rd of May and Chhattisgarh on 1st to 3rd of May. Isolated heavy rainfalls are also expected over Odisha on 2nd and 3rd of May. So you can see that based on all these warnings, you can see that orange color warning is issued for Odisha, then over East Madhya Pradesh, Sikkim, Chhattisgarh during these subsequent days. Now if we come to the forecast of northwest India, then isolated hailstorm activity is very likely over Uttarakhand on 1st and 3rd of May and with thunder squall winds of reaching 50 to 60 kmph on 3rd of May. Now thunderstorm activity is also very likely with gusty winds from 40 to 60 kmph over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during 1st May to 6th of May. Also, thunderstorm activity with gusty winds are expected over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan during these days, that is from 1st of May to 6th of May. Thunder squalls, that is thunderstorms with dust storms and with very high speed winds with gusting up to 70 kmph are expected over Rajasthan on 1st and 2nd of May. Dust storms are very likely over isolated places of Punjab, Haryana on 1st and 2nd of May and over Rajasthan from 1st to 5th of May. Now if we look at the forecast for South Peninsular India, then over South Peninsular India, as you can see that thunderstorm activities with gusty winds are very likely over Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rayalaseema, Kerala, Tamil Nadu during next 7 days and specifically over SIK on 1st of May, gusty winds with wind speeds reaching up to 50 to 60 kmph are very likely. Isolated heavy rainfall warning is also issued for South Interior Karnataka and Kerala Mahe on 1st of May. Because of these warnings, SIK is given orange color warning today. Now if we talk about northeast India, then isolated heavy rainfall warning over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam Meghalaya is likely on 5th of May and thunderstorm activity is likely to continue over entire northeast India during next 5 days. Now if we come out to maximum temperature forecast, then there is no significant change over northwest India during next 24 hours and after that it is expected that the temperature will fall by 3 to 5 degrees in subsequent 6 days. Over central India for next 2 days there is no significant change and after that there is likelihood of fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Now, if we talk about the forecast for heat wave, then heat wave is expected over isolated pockets of Jammu and Kashmir and southwest Rajasthan on 1st of May, and hot and humid weather is likely to prevail over Marathwada, Gujarat state on 1st of May, Tamil Nadu and Kerala and Andhra Pradesh on 1st and 2nd of May. You can join us on our various social media handles. Namaskar, Jai Hind.